I held on to your words, but you held my wallet tight. I thought that we would last, but that was my mistake. We lost it to a fight. I didn't believe that you would bite. You hurt me really bad. I don't know if this is a dream, but I really want to wake. I thought that you were mine. Yeah, I thought that we were fine. I was spending every penny, but I didn't want you a dime. I couldn't see it clear because they said that love is blind. Every step we took together, but you ran left me behind. You listen to your friends, but then all of them are single. They really want to mingle, but can never keep a man. They keep judging by the wallet, but don't know what's in the heart. Yeah, my pocket wasn't bright enough, but still a nigga tried. You left me in the dark. I've been crying since you left, but won't say it to your face. Now I'm shy to say I love you, cause yeah, I really did. You had me in your cage and then you brought me to my knees. You broke me with your words to say you didn't ask me for shit. Come on, tell me. Even for a moment, was it even ever real? We went from video calls and chat to stares and silent cries. I viewed your snap and did respond. My heart been wrapped with cries. Still remember how we used to be. Now you brought me chips and fries. Now I'm here and thinking, why did I give my heart so cheap?